In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple walk cycle in Moon Animator inside Roblox Studio. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. First, let's go to the Plugins tab and insert your character with Character Inserter and go to Presets. I'm using R6 model, and after that, just open your Moon Animator. Once you have done that, we can start customizing it. So now just click on New to Moon file, click on the plus icon and select your character and click on OK. And now you can start animating. So basically, just go to the three dot and make your timeline size to 1 second. Click on OK and just go to options and make sure show seconds is toggled on. And once you have done that, just go to the 0 seconds and animate your first work. So which is going to be this particular leg. Just press R to rotate. And once you have done that, just select your torso and lean it forward a little, just like so. And once you have done that, just animate your hands. The hands should be the opposite. So if the right leg is going forward, the right hand should be going backwards. And once you have done that, let's move to another side. So this hand will move forward and this leg will move backwards, just like so. We will just go to the 300-second mark and you can view your seconds here. And now just do the opposite of what you are doing. Press B on the keyboard to toggle on the on-end skin and just reverse the movement. You can use the on-end skin for the reference. Just press B to toggle it off. Once you're done, you can just go to the middle mark, which is 150 seconds. Now as this particular is going to be moving forward, we will just go to the 150-second mark and move this leg a little bit up. So just press R and pull your leg up, just like so. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and copy all of the first frames by selecting them and pressing Ctrl C. Just go to the 600-second mark and you can paste it by pressing Ctrl V. Just go to the 450-second mark and do the same for the other leg by just dragging it a little up. And make sure to toggle on loop. And now let's play our animation. You will see we have successfully made a simple walk cycle in Roblox Studio. You can also smooth it out by just selecting a torso and moving it a little bit up, just like so, and going to the second phase and just basically copying the first frame by pressing Ctrl C and pressing Ctrl V, and you can copy the middle frame and paste it in the 450-second mark, just like so. And now you can see we have successfully made a simple walk cycle in Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.